But let me tell you this, traders. Discipline is that magic elixir that separates the haves from the have-nots in life. That it doesn't matter what field we're talking about, trading or any other field, what you will always find is that those who've excelled are the most disciplined of the entire group or industry. That you'll always find that the central key or the item that separates the non-achiever from the achiever is directly tied to the level of discipline. Now, traders, discipline is something that is your responsibility. My responsibility is to train you. My responsibility is to raise your level of market sophistication, to raise your know-how, to increase your amount of information regarding this wonderful activity we call trading. My responsibility is to educate you. My other responsibility is to motivate you in those moments during which you cannot motivate yourself. These are my two responsibilities: to educate and train you, and to motivate you. Your responsibility is to apply the discipline enough to go all the way. You see, no one can give you discipline. I can give you motivation, but I can't give you discipline. And discipline is not something that you're born with. It's not like, okay, this baby who's just been born gets 56% of discipline, and this person, they get 25% of discipline, and whoa, this beautiful baby with the incredibly gorgeous eyes gets 100% discipline. No, life doesn't work that way. We start with zero discipline. Every human being starts with zero discipline. Discipline is something that you nurture. Discipline is something that you build. Discipline is something that you manufacture over time, and you grow. It gets stronger with proper use. Don't be disciplined. The more undisciplined you are, the less potent your ability to become disciplined is. The more you practice discipline, the stronger that muscle. It's like a muscle. Work that muscle over and over again, and it gets stronger. Some people ask me, well, Oliver, how is it that I can work on my discipline? Discipline, one of the beautiful things about discipline, traders, is that it's universal. It's universal. You can't become disciplined in one thing and not have that discipline spill over into every other area of your life. This is one of the miracles of becoming disciplined. So when a trader comes to me and says, Oliver, I can't be disciplined. I don't know what it is. I can't stay in the trade when I'm supposed to stay in the trade. I snatch at my profits too fast. I'm not disciplined enough to hold on in the face of these profits. I'm killing my gains because I'm taking them too fast. Help me. And I says, well, if you can't do what you know you're supposed to do, which is discipline in this area, then let's build up discipline by becoming disciplined in a completely unrelated area. Do you make up your bed in the mornings? Most times when I ask that, the trader says, no. And I says, well, let's start there. Let's start with a simple act like making your frickin' bed. The moment you wake up, all right, the first thing you do, make up your bed. I want you to do that for a month. Don't miss a single day. And I will tell you, traders, that by taking a simple act like that and becoming disciplined with it, will actually spill over into you being able to do what you say you're going to do in your trading better. You can't become disciplined in one area of life and then discipline stop when you move into another area. No, it's universal. It's like you can't be healthy. You can't bring your body to a state of health in this room and then move to another room and the health doesn't go with you. Discipline is universal, and you can build it with little small acts in your life. How often do you read? Most people today don't read. They scroll. Well, no, I'm asking, how often do you read? So why don't we do something like this? Let's take a freaking page out of a book. I don't care what book it is. Let's take one page. Pick a book. I don't care what it is. You can pick the Bible. That's a great book to pick. You can pick the biography of someone you respect. Let's say Elon Musk. Whatever it is. I don't care what it is. A book of poems. Pick a book and read one page every night before you go to bed. Do that for 30 days and watch that discipline spill over into your trading.